Brothers and sisters, let's reflect on the challenges we face in a world filled with traps designed to weaken our resolve and lead us away from the right path. These traps, attributed to the tools of Satan, aim to make us fall into the void. As Muslims, we were once known for our resilience and adherence to a higher standard, detached from worldly distractions. However, societal changes have influenced us towards weakness, femininity, and faithlessness. It is crucial for us to reclaim our strength and faith in Allah, the creator of the universe. Today, let's delve into 7 common bad habits that individuals often unknowingly commit and strive to eliminate them from our lives. 1. Cursing. No. 1. Cussing. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned about the dangers of the mouth, which can lead us to hell. Our words, whether used for good or evil, hold significant power. The mouth is the gateway to lawful or forbidden foods and drinks, making it more dangerous than physical violence. In the Quran, it is revealed that on the day of judgment, our mouths, hands, and feet will bear witness to our deeds. This emphasizes individual responsibility and calls us to reflect on the consequences of our words. 2. Judging. No. 2. Judging. True judgment comes from Allah, who looks at our hearts and deeds, not just appearances. Often, our judgments are based on superficial factors, leading to a false sense of superiority. Judging others is a distraction from personal growth, preventing us from addressing our own imperfections. Instead, we should focus on improving ourselves and recognizing the goodness in others. 3. Complaining. No. 3. Complaining. Constant complaining stems from a lack of gratitude. Rather than venting to people who cannot solve our problems, we should turn to Allah in prayer. Complaining wastes energy that could be better spent seeking solutions and finding the positive aspects of challenging situations. 4. Blaming others. Number 4. Blaming others. Blaming others is a sign of weakness and a lack of responsibility. Taking ownership of challenges and seeking solutions demonstrates strength and charisma. As believers, we should understand that trials are tests of our faith, and blaming others only distances us from personal growth. 5. Delaying things. Number 5. Delaying things. Procrastination is a deception that makes us believe we have endless time. Time is a precious gift, and delaying positive actions hinders personal development. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned against procrastination, urging us to take the present seriously and not neglect positive actions. 6. Gossip. No. 6. Gossip. Engaging in gossip or backbiting is a major sin in Islam. Guarding our tongues and avoiding forbidden speech is a responsibility. Passive participation in gossip makes us complicit in the wrongdoing. It is essential to protect the honor and reputation of our fellow believers and refrain from engaging in or supporting gossip. 7. Jealousy. Number 7. Jealousy. Jealousy is a destructive emotion that can lead to resentment and harm towards others. Islam encourages believers to adopt an attitude of gratitude and contentment. Instead of harboring jealousy, we should rejoice in others' success and seek our desires without negative feelings. In conclusion, by recognizing and eliminating these bad habits from our lives, we can positively transform ourselves. May Allah bless us all on this journey of self-improvement.